French restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. When dining in a French restaurant, you need some formal attire. Suits and dresses are great choices. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually. 2 customers require 2 sets of tableware.
Hello, we would like to order.
French meals include the appetizer, entree, and dessert, all prepared and served in order. First, order an appetizer, salad. Then, select an entree, grilled lamb chops. At last, choose a dessert. Tart. Appetizer, salad. Choose the things you need. Salad mix. Egg. Slicer. Not this one. Spoon. Vegetable knife. Please choose a type of salad for your customers. Egg salad. Salads, mixed veggies, or fruits that are seasoned with sauces. Make the salad. Choose a looking plate. Choose 3 ingredients for the salad. Select one type of dressing, mayonnaise. Let's find these seasonings. Yellow mustard. Egg yolk. Salt. Soybean oil. Lemon juice. Wow! The delicious salad is finished! Sorry for...
Yeah!
Appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree, grilled lamb chops. Choose the things you need. Lamb chops. Tin foil. Not the small saucepan. Measuring cup. Food scale. In France, lamb chops are popular choice for entree. High-temperature grilling keeps the thick chops fresh and juicy. Make lamb chops. Salt. Black pepper. Sprinkle on some green onions. Take some tin foil and put it on the baking sheet. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Lamb chops with sauce. Pour in 400. Not enough milk. You still need to pour some more. White sugar. Salt. Nutmeg. Black pepper. Add in 50 grams of flour. The sauce requires 50 grams of butter. Sift the flour. Pour in the mixed milk. Lemon juice. Choose a plate. lamb chops smell great. The customers will for sure. Here is Bon appetit! If you are done eating, place your knife and fork to the right of your plate. Dessert, apple tart. Choose the things you need. Apple, peeler, apple tart mold, frying pan, apple tart naturally use apples as part of the filling. It tastes just as good as it looks. Make apple tarts. Add some sugar. Pour in some hot water. Stir the apple slices. Now, then use the mold and press. Oh, the stacked apple slices look like pretty flower petals. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Use a glass to help remove the tart mold. Choose a nice-looking plate. Wow, this apple tart is perfect! Here, please enjoy. After eating, remember to use the corner of the napkin to wipe your mouth and fingers. Usually people would have a cup of coffee after the dessert, which signals the end of a French meal. shift the tableware into the corresponding tub. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules